At kung kayo'y mga baguhan pa lamang sa aking channel guys, pag-pindot lamang ang subscribe button at notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong videos na ina-upload ko sa aking channel sa YouTube. Intro muna tayo guys.
What's up guys? Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to our generic channel.
Join us. We welcome you to the countries that are coming back that have been with us throughout the course of the evening. We welcome you back to Las Vegas, Nevada, the boxing capital of the world, where we're visiting the MGM Grand Hotel and Casino for this mega fight they're calling the Dream Match. As Golden Boy Promotions and Top Rank Boxing, in association with the MGM Grand, present this International Boxing Classic. In the welterweight division of 147 pounds, Oscar De La Hoya of Los Angeles, California, 39-5 with 30 knockouts, takes on Manny Pacquiao, the pride of the Philippines.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the MGM Grand of Las Vegas, Nevada, USA, Golden.
If you take any more headshots, I'm going to stop it. Maybe Oscar just decided, it's not going my way. Maybe it is time. He talked about he doesn't know when to retire. I think it's time.
Yeah,
I know he doesn't want to go out with a performance like this, but
there was the inspectors talking to Oscar, and a consensus that he came right over and congratulated Manny Pacquiao.
whether we ever see him fight again, I don't know, but he's certainly had a marvelous.
Thank you for watching guys. Just click on my YouTube channel, Al Johnny Rick.